Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add effects to an overlay only in CapCut on PC. This technique helps us apply visual effects to specific elements without affecting the entire video. We will walk you through how to do this easily. Now let's get started. In the CapCut dashboard, let's go to Create Project. Once we are in the Create Project section, let's import our video. We have a video here that will be our main video. We will drag it into the timeline. Now let's add an overlay. We will import another video. We want this to be an overlay, so we will drag it down and drop it into the overlay track. This is now our overlay, so let's adjust it to fit the video. We will resize and reposition our overlay. For example, we will place it here. Now, to add an effect to our overlay, we need to select the overlay track, then click on Effects. We can see the available effects in the panel. We will choose this effect. It is now being applied to our overlay. To make sure the effect applies only to the overlay, we just need to drag the effect down onto the overlay track only. As you can see, it affects only the overlay and not the entire video, so when we play it back, the effect appears only on our overlay. We have successfully added an effect to an overlay only in CapCut on PC. Now we can create more precise and creative edits in our videos.